11 human species that lived on Earth before us. Number 11. Sahelanthropus chadensis. One of the earliest known ancestors, Sahelanthropus chadensis, lived around 7 million years ago in what is now Chad, with a mix of ape-like and human-like traits, including a small brain and a possibly upright posture. This species was a major point in the evolutionary split between humans and chimpanzees. Number 10. Australopithecus afarensis. Fast forward a few million years, and we encounter Australopithecus afarensis, best known for the famous fossil of a woman, which scientists named Lucy. This species, which lived in eastern Africa around 3.9 to 2.9 million years ago, combined long arms for climbing with adaptations for walking upright, bridging the gap between arboreal life and life on the ground. Number 9. Homo habilis. As tool use became more prominent, Homo habilis emerged around 2.4 to 1.4 million years ago in Africa. Known as the handyman, this species is often credited as the first toolmaker, marking a significant leap in cognitive abilities. Number 8. Homo erectus. Following them, Homo erectus, which existed between 1.9 million and 110,000 years ago, became one of the first species to leave Africa, spreading across Europe and Asia. They mastered fire, created advanced tools, and had physical features that closely resemble modern humans, making them the main characters in the story of human migration and adaptation. Number 7. Homo heidelbergensis. Homo heidelbergensis lived around 700,000 to 200,000 years ago and is considered the common ancestor of both Neanderthals and modern humans. They demonstrated advanced hunting techniques and built rudimentary shelters, showcasing a growing sophistication in behavior. Number 6. Homo neanderthalensis. Neanderthals thrived in Europe and Western Asia from 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. Adapted to cold climates with robust physiques, Neanderthals exhibited complex behaviors, including burial rituals and tool-making, and even interbred with early modern humans, leaving traces of their DNA in many people today. Number 5. Homo Floresiensis. Not all human species were large-bodied giants. Homo Floresiensis, often called the Hobbit, lived on Indonesia's Flores Island around 100,000 to 50,000 years ago. Standing only 3.5 feet tall, they used sophisticated tools despite their small brains, challenging the notion that brain size correlates directly with intelligence. Number 4. Homo luzonensis. The recently discovered Homo luzonensis, found in the Philippines, displayed unique physical traits like curved toes and fingers, hinting at their adeptness for climbing. These small-bodied species highlight the incredible adaptability of humans to diverse environments. Number 3. Denisovans. The Denisovans were discovered through DNA analysis of a finger bone found in Siberia's Denisova cave. Living between 200,000 and 30,000 years ago, they interbred with both Neanderthals and modern humans, leaving genetic legacies in populations across Southeast Asia and Oceania. Number 2. Paranthropus boisei. Paranthropus boisei, often nicknamed the Nutcracker Man, roamed eastern Africa between 2.3 and 1.2 million years ago. Their massive jaws and teeth were specialized for chewing tough plant material, representing a different evolutionary experiment in human survival. Number 1. Homo Naledi. One of the most intriguing species is Homo Naledi, which lived as recently as 335,000 to 236,000 years ago in South Africa. Despite having a brain size comparable to earlier species, Homo Naledi exhibited surprisingly advanced behaviors, including possible burial practices. This challenges the assumption that complex thought and ritualistic behavior require large brains, reshaping our understanding of intelligence. Here's a quick question. Do you think most genius human species would have lived on Earth who were more intelligent than modern humans?